Everybody look at my girl.
Rocky.
My girl's walking. Get back, Lily. Albeit drunkily.
Hey,
this is her first time without her harness and she got hurt. Easy. My girl, it's dusty out here. Here she comes.
Hey, honey.
Oh, goodness.
Oh,
Y'all
honey,
settle down.
you look like you got a loogie on your face.
My girl walking. I hope that's gonna turn out. Oh, she slid down.
Oh.
Easy.
Good girl. Calm yourself.
Calm down. There we go. See how pretty she is? Easy, Lily. Easy. Hop up, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Nice and easy. Lily's my little water girl. If there's a standing water anywhere and she's gonna get in it. Doesn't matter if it's clean or dirty, a mud puddle or a pool. And my girls, Lily, my Lily girl, we call her Bubbles because she likes to blow bubbles. And my girl that's covering very well. Then there's old Rocky the Moose Hound. Yeah, my pretty girl. This is her first time without her harness. My pretty girl. This lady.
Girl. Honey.
Well, Catherine, is that good, honey? Are you ready to go back inside? Huh? Oh, goodness. Ooh, move, Lily. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good girl. Oh, my pretty girl. Ooh, look at those ants. Okay, everybody, we're going to go back inside now, I think. Let's go. Come on. My pretty girl walking without her harness. Woo, easy now. Stand up. Nice and easy. Okay. That's good.